Hello students, in this video we'll have a discussion about random access file. In the previous video we discussed about sequential access file. Now what is random access file? Suppose you can consider if you want to access a particular record in a file, then you can access that record directly instead of accessing all the records presented in the file. So it takes less time when compared to the sequential access file. It may be otherwise known as direct access file since a specific record can be accessed directly. This is about random access file. Here the data can be accessed using three operations like fseek, ftell, rewind. These are all the built-in functions available in the standard library. Fseek, which is used to set the file pointer at the specified byte. Ftell, which is used to return the current position value of the file pointer. The current position value will be counted from the beginning of the file. Rewind, which is used to move the file pointer to the beginning of the file. These are all the uses of these operations. Next we will see the syntax of the same. Fseek, which accepts three arguments like file pointer, displacement, pointer position. Or else we can write it like fseek of file asterisk stream, long int offset, int events. Here the file pointer which points to a file. Pointer position, it comes under integer value. It has three names like seek underscore set, seek underscore cu or seek underscore end. It has a built-in value like 0, 1, 2. Seek underscore set, it denotes that it is a beginning of the value. Seek underscore cu or it has a value 1, it represents current position. Seek underscore end, it has a value 2, it represents it is the end of the file. So next displacement, it comes under long integer. It may be both positive and it may be either positive value or negative value. If it is a positive value, the file pointer can be moved in forward direction at the specified byte. If it is negative value, the file pointer can be moved in backward direction at the specified byte. So this is about fseek operation. Both ftell and rewind built-in functions accepts argument like file pointer. It accepts only one argument, file pointer. As I already discussed, ftell, which is used to return the current position of the file pointer, this current position value will be counted from the beginning of the file. A rewind, which is used to move the file pointer to the beginning of the file. So this is about the syntax of those operations. Next you can consider some example. You are having a file like sample.txt. This file contains the contents like information technology. Now you are doing the operation fseek of p, 10l, 0. This represents a pointer position. It denotes that it is the beginning of the file. Now the file pointer points to the beginning of the file. The file pointer points to the character capital I now. See the displacement value, it is 10l. L denotes that long integer. So now the 10 bytes needs to be skipped in forward direction and then the pointer needs to be pointed to some character after 10 bytes. So now the file pointer points to the character O. So after this fseek of p, 5l, 1. 1 denotes that the current position. Now the file pointer position pointing to the character O. So from here 5 bytes needs to be skipped in forward direction. So the space is also considered as a 1 byte. Okay, so after this instruction the file position pointer points to the character E. So next fseek of p, minus 5l, 1. So here 1, it represents again the current position of the file pointer. Now here we given negative value, so the file pointer can be moved in backward direction. 5 bytes needs to be skipped. So 5 bytes needs to be skipped. Now the file pointer points to the character O. So this is about fseek operation. Next we will discuss the example program which illustrates the concepts of random access file. This program deals about those operations like fseek, ftell, rewind. In all C program, very first statement will be the header files. So those header files needs to be included here. Next you can start the main function. Inside the main function, you have to declare the file pointer. So here file pointer is fp. So next you are going to open the file in W plus mode. File name is pgm.txt. So now the handle of the file is fp. This is a file pointer. Next you just see fputters. What is fputters? This is a built-in function available in the standard library. Fputters. S means string. Okay. Fputters, which is used to write the content and the file. It is used to write the content and the file. It accepts two arguments. The first argument, the content needs to be written in the file. The second argument, in which file the content needs to be written. So this is what file handle. So here we given the message like Velammal College. Those needs to be enclosed within double quotes because it is a message, comma fp. So now after this instruction, we are performing fseek operations. So fp, 10, seek underscore set. It has a built-in value like 0. It represents it is the beginning of the file. So now the file pointer points to the beginning of the file v, points to the character v. So here we specified 10 as a displacement value. It is a positive value. So the file pointer can be moved in forward direction up to 10 bytes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the file pointer points to the character C. So next you can see fputters of Madurai, file position file pointer. So now the pointer points to here. So this can be overwritten by the message like Madurai. So now your file becomes Velammal Madurai. Next we are doing rewind operation. What is the use of rewind? Which is used to move the file position pointer to the beginning of the file. Now your file pointer is pointing to the last characters presented in the file. After seeing this instruction, what will happen? The file position pointer moved to the beginning of the file. Now the file position pointer points to the first character is presented in the file. Okay, next you are doing fseek operation, fp, 0, seek underscore end. It means that ending of the file. Now after seeing the instruction, what the compiler does, the file position pointer can be moved to the end of the file. Now the file position pointer pointing to the last character is presented in the file. So next len, which is equal to ftel of fp. So now the file pointer is pointing to the last character presented in the file. Ftel, as I already said that ftel is used to return the current position of the file pointer. That current position value is counted from the beginning of the file. It means that how many number of characters presented in the file. So that value will be stored in the variable len. Next you are doing the closing operations of file with the help of fclose of fp. Next you are going to print the output on the screen. Number of characters are count or current position, %d, len. Len is an integer value, so that needs to be declared before the clear screen function. Next you can close the main function. So now you can see the output. After running the program, you will be getting the output like number of characters or count or current position 16. It means that the number of characters presented in the file. So totally 16. Now the file position pointer points to the, while opening this pgm.txt, what will happen? So here the file position pointer points to the last character presented in the file. So this is what the output of this program. This is about random access file. Thank you guys.